Hi, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making braised tofu with crown daisy, a dish that's a real blessing for vegetarians and an ideal pick for anyone new to Chinese cooking. If you are tired of heavy, salty meals, this light and nutritious dish is just what you need. It's refreshing and absolutely perfect with a bowl of rice. Okay, let's start with our ingredients. First, there's a bunch of fresh crown daisy from the market. If the base looks a bit tough, trim off the older parts, rinse it thoroughly, and then chop it into small, fine pieces. The finer, the better. Next up is our tofu. I'm using a block of Chinese brine-curdled tofu, but if you can't find this in your local Asian supermarket, soft tofu works too. Just keep in mind it might release a bit more water during cooking. In a bowl, crack 1 egg and add a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of pepper. Then, just like I do, use your hands to break it up into crumbles. Then toss in the finely chopped crown daisy and mix it all together with the tofu. It might not look pretty at this stage, but trust me, the taste is phenomenal. Now it's time to cook. Heat up your wok and add a little oil. Once the oil is hot, toss in the spring onion and stir fry until fragrant. Then add your tofu and crown daisy mixture to the wok. Keep the heat at medium. When you found the tofu and crown daisy separate into distinct pieces instead of blending together, that means this dish is ready to serve. Just before finishing, drizzle a little extra cooking oil works great, and give it one last quick stir. The mild, fresh aroma of the crown daisy perfectly complements the silky, delicate tofu. It's light, refreshing, and absolutely delicious. Okay, it's your turn to give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. See you next time.